go down the alley though, okay?
Oh, okay. He's going to just inside. Instruction. Thank you. Are you ready? Stand by. If you are finished, then load so clear. If clear, hammer down. Range clear. Time 3374.
That's easy. That's actually more easy.
Are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by.
Long hand. Even strong hand's a little hard.
Yeah, I know.
Farther than we're used to.
Finish that long show. Clear, slide down, hammer down, holster.
I really split.
But it also helps in
Except that one brack on top.
That's why I know spread.
Here's
This one dropped to 875.
820. 790. And 822.
Sighted in.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Just trying to Come on, dude.
Range is clear, 2266.
Are you ready? Stand by. If you're finished, unload your clear. If clear, hammer down, hold it.
I knew it was going to be the problem. I took the over and I'm like, leave it up there. I know I have. No, I mean, when it comes in, we did it before. I just got 12 spots.
Are you ready? Stand by.
It's not just
Finished, then load and show clear. If clear, hammer down, holster. Range is clear, 2676.
2670. Okay.
I think there's 12. 12.
Are you ready? Stand by. Get ready for your next stage.
You see him move down every time.
Yeah, good. 4-3-8.
We still got the.
We also got the.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Already pull your head somewhere.
I know.
Chad, I'm Dan. Keep coming to me.
How did you do over there? One like Daryl did in the middle. Yeah. Daryl did too. He probably got a lot of outbacks than the other ones.
Are you ready?
Mine was like
Stand by.
he dropped his magazine. He has to reload.
Get something or something. Right. Well, I got him standing back here.
Oh, that came out the other range.
I got him something up this way.
15, 6,
I didn't see it.
1-5.
Are you ready? Stand by.
If you're finished, unload and show clear. Hit clear, hammer down, and then hold.
Are you ready? Stand by. If you're finished, unload, show clear. I'm going to tell you that you're this close to breaking the 180 on 3 separate occasions. When you left that up there, right here, and here. You bring that gun into your chest like this, and it's here, and if you twist your body at all, you're broken. Okay? 2680.
Stand by. Range is clear. 2583.
See how you went down like that? Oh, I didn't. Oh, I cleared my groin. Right up there. If I was clean on here, I haven't done it yet. Well, I put my original barrel back.
Are you ready? Stand by.
I think I'm shooting high with my old. I think my old barrel shot. I think I can so low.
If you're finished, unload and show clear. If
But we'll
clear,
see. We'll
hammer
see.
down.
If I start shooting clean, then I can blame.
Mind your way.
Are you ready?
Stand by.
Range is clear. Time 23:96.
23.90.
Julia's the shooter. Crescencia.
I thought that was a shot at first. I almost think it.
Are you ready? Stand by. You're finished. Little show, please. You're clear.
2033.
Range is clear. Are you ready? Stand by. If you finish, then load and show clear. If clear, hammer down, holster.
Looks clean.
Range is clear. Step back for us. 1339.
1339.
Right? And then it came up.
So I made it.
Are you ready? Stand by.
I thought the first one is 230. So I could read it.
If you are finished, unload. Clear. If clear, hammer down. Holster. Range is clear. 26.
Mike, no shoes.
26, 51.
Mike, no shoot.
Charlie, Mike, no shoot.
Charlie, Mike, no shoot.
I got white. I got like too low. Give it another one of them.
Alpha Charlie,
Alpha Charlie,
4 steel.
4 steel.
Alpha Charlie,
Alpha Charlie,
Alpha Charlie.
Charlie.
Sorry, I wasn't like.
You're up, Julia. Sorry. Go ahead. Sorry, bud.
Stand by.
Get behind me.
Okay, sorry.
Range is clear. Time 44.20.
Extra shot. This one that the stage goes with
43 seconds. 42 seconds.
32.
Yeah.
So it's hitting. 3 extra shots from the splinkers, and it's still. Yeah. Fight. And I had to put it down. Pretty sure that's a video.
Yeah, I was filming you the whole. I mean, something went wrong, but I just kept filming.
Did it look like I slowed down? Normal shoot.
Well, I knew you had an equipment problem. I didn't know what it was.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Guy enough, he has a couple beers.
Range is clear. Time 26 flat.
600.
Charlie Delta.
Charlie Delta.
Alpha Charlie.
Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
6 steel.
6 steel.
Charlie.
2 alpha.
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 2 alpha. Last one.
Alpha Charlie.
Charlie.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
Scoring's complete.